Cafe Lago is surrounded by greenery that rises upwards to frame the dwellings of the Marino brothers. A small window carved out of a concrete wall at the cafe's entrance offers postcard-like pictures of Lake Sampaloc, which is picturesque from almost any angle. The Marino brothers have traveled all over the world. Tony spent many years living in New York and working as a stage actor on Broadway, and Mandy has visited many cities around the world. Yet they say that this spot near Sampaloc Lake, below the hill on which Doña Leonila Park is found, still strikes them as most beautiful. Tony recalls waking up to a panoramic view of the lake one morning and asking himself why this place is so special to him. He says it's much more than a visual response. It is an emotional one. My roots are here, so there is a strong connection to the land and the environment. We are joined by Lisel of Cafe Lago. She will show us how to make buttered chicken. Yun ba ang gagawin natin?
Yes, ma'am.
Maraming salamat, Lisel, for doing this for us. Paano tayo mag-umpisa?
First step po, i-mix po natin yung mga ingredients. Sugar.
Nilalagyan ng
Opo.
sugar.
It's a bit lang.
Sugar ba yan?
Sugar po.
Amoyin mo.
Sugar. Salt.
Sugar and salt.
Paprika po.
Paprika. Medyo maanghang pala siya. Yung paprika.
Ano lang po.
Konting kurot.
Konting.
Ano ito?
Ito po yung sesame oil.
Sesame oil. Ay,
Some
masarap.
flavorings po. Ito yung egg.
Egg. Ay, hindi na babatihin?
Hindi na po.
As is? Okay.
Then, cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Flour.
Flour. Alam mo na siguro, no? Hindi.
Then, mix na po siya.
Okay. Okay.
Opo. Mas maganda po kung yung vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Healthy.
Healthy.
Okay na po, pwede na po siya.
Babaliktarin natin siya.
Baliktarin na po, opo.
Okay. Golden brown na siya.
Siguro po kailangan natin
Okay. Anong gagawin mo?
Prepare na po yung pang butter.
Gano'ng kadami yung butter? Sabihin mo sa akin.
Mga ganito lang po. Yan. Pickle po.
So we put about a tablespoon and a half of butter. And then this is about a tablespoon of minced bawang.
Minced bawang.
Okay. Ano ito? I-toast it or we just cook it slowly?
Slowly lang po.
Okay. Ooh. Okay, I will give way. Yes, ikaw na.
Okay na po.
Pagkatapos, a little bit more.
Okay na po yan, ma'am.
Okay na yun?